What is going on, everybody? So one of the best things about living out in the country is having my own gun range. But one of the best things about having a gun range is I get a lot of requests from some of my friends and family that have guns that don't have time to shoot them. They might buy some new guns, they just want me to test them out. They got some old guns that have been passed down from their dad or their grandpa or wherever they might have obtained them from. And they give them to me, and I get to take them out here and do some test firing on them, make sure they shoot, and have a lot of fun doing it. So that's exactly what I got going on today. So I actually have a double barrel shotgun in that case right there. We're gonna take down the gun range, but first we're gonna actually raid my garden. We got the leftover veggies from this year that we haven't picked yet, so we're gonna go pick some good stuff, throw them out in the gun range, and hopefully the gun will shoot and we will blow up some vegetables. So stick with me. All right, guys, just got done raiding the garden. So we got a couple pumpkins, some peppers, cucumbers. I think there's a watermelon in there, and there's a kohlrabi. This is actually, when you let a kohlrabi grow too long, that's what it looks like. If you even know what a kohlrabi is. Not a lot of people do. They're tasty. Let's see what we are working with. Nice. This is Ward's Western Field Model 52. Got a little bit of rust to it. It's pretty cool. All right, let's get some shells in this thing and see what we can do. All right, we got pumpkins, watermelon, cucumber, peppers out there. There's my first shot. I'll just kind of aim down range at the pumpkin, see what we get. First shot, let's see what happens here. Yeah, blew that pumpkin right off there. Sweet. Let's try that other pumpkin quick. Oh, yeah. That is sweet. That's cool. All right, let's try that again. I got a watermelon up close here. Let's see if I can tear up this watermelon quick. Holy moly. There we go. Take out them peppers quick. That is cool. Wow, shoots nice, definitely. Let's go check it out. Well, that was just awesome. That gun shot great. Let's go check out what's left of some of this food out here. Yeah, there's the watermelon. Not much left of that. Let's check this out. Oh, you got some nice BB holes in there. Definitely fill that thing up, knocked her off the bench. You got your peppers. Not much left of that. Check out this other one, blew it right off. Oh yeah, this one a little more, took a little more to it, that's for sure. Let's go set these back up. We'll blast some more again. Take out that pumpkin again. Starting to stick a little bit. Something's going on. Let's do a couple more. I got another pumpkin we can get point blank on them. Just blow the heck out of it. Alright, try that pepper down there. There we go. Sweet. Let's go get a brand new pumpkin up there. Do some point blank. just for the fun of it. That's more like it. Some good damage there. That is cool. Pumpkin seeds falling from the sky. I think it had it. Let's see what we can do to this thing. Well, there you have it. Ward's Western Field Model 52. It's a pretty sweet looking gun. Let's go check out the final damage here. At point blank. These are the damaged ones. Ain't much left of that. All right, guys. About 5 days from now is opening of rifle season. So my next video will most likely be me out in the trees chasing after some deer. So hope you enjoyed blowing up some veggies with me, testing out this double-barreled shotgun. We'll see you next time. Later.